Hello everyone, this is Michelle from workhardspendharder.com and I'm here today for the unboxing and review of this particular product that my husband ordered from lazada.com.ph. Actually, it's his gift for my upcoming birthday next month, end of the month. So it's like a month in advance birthday gift from my husband. So we're going to open this box right now. While opening the box, let me just ask you, have you visited my website lately? What can you say about it? It's an affiliate website. So it's an affiliate marketing website. I'm a Lazada affiliate. So all the products that I feature on my website, I will actually get a very little commission from that. So if you support me, please do so. I hope. I'm very new to this, so sorry. Open. Okay, let's see. Okay. I got this Baby G from Casio. So it's bubble wrap, very safe. This is the model number. My husband just left for work with my eldest daughter, and my youngest is sleeping, so it's quite quiet here right now. Here goes. This is the tin can. Let's open it. There goes the manual. And along with it is a receipt. It's from Time Depot. So you see, it's very authentic. And the model number, the price, the warranty card, and the manual. And here's the watch. I got my favorite color, purple. Has a tag with the model number. This one's nice. My husband's not here for me to kiss him later. Okay, it says here light. Turn that on. Yeah, very nice. Let's try to wear it. It has a purple or violet face dial, and the band strap is black. So it's a very great combination along with the pink accent. By the way, this is glass. This is made of glass. Okay, it fits well. How does it look? I'm very happy. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I love you. Okay, there you go. There's the unboxing and a review to show you how this Casio Baby G in person looks like in person, and how it's being delivered. As you can see, the box is very sealed. It's well protected with bubble wrap and everything. And this package, or rather this item, is authentic from Time Depot with the warranty. So you just have to keep this receipt, and show it to the service center for repairs, if in case there's a problem with your order. Talking about orders, please do click the link down below. That's my affiliate link. So if you want to purchase from Lazada, you can let me know what items you would like to order, if in case it's not yet on the website, and I will post it for you, and you can order from there rather. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and also visit my website as well. That's workhardspendharder.com. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.